Okay.
Hi, I'm Staff Sergeant Jonathan Nightingale from 375th Civil Engineering Squadron, and we enable combat power by supplying mission-critical facilities with heating and cooling year-round. And in AOR, we supply heating and cooling year-round as well to not only buildings but also the dormitories that were for the pilots and flight crew that has to be on crew rest and everything, and we keep climate control for them to stay safe on their planes, because if they are not comfortable, they can't fly, and if they can't fly, our mission fails. What we checking here? All right.